Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create or remove the hard disk partition in Windows or computer. So let's begin on how to create such. So firstly, we need to proceed here at the start icon. Please do a right click and proceed with disk management. Tap on it. And after that, you can see there a new window, which is the disk management itself, where here you need to proceed to the disk or drive that you want to create a partition with. Okay. So the moment you have selected it, please do a right click and go with shrink volume. So here at this window, you would be able to enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So you can set any amount that you want to go with. Okay, as long as it will not be greater than the original size, okay, of the disk or hard drive that you have. Okay, so once you have entered the amount of space to shrink in MB, you need to click on shrink to proceed and wait until it will be created here. A new unallocated disk partition is being created. So in order to use this, since it is still unlocated, all you need to do is you need to do a right click and go with new simple volume. Click on next once again, and assign the drive letter that you want to go with. In my case, I'll be choosing F, and click on next and choose the file system. In my case, I'll be choosing NTFS. Click on next once again and go with finished. In that manner, you have just successfully or succeeded in creating a new hard disk partition through your disk or hard disk. Okay, so here you can see any volume and a volume here as well. Okay, so in this manner you would be able to see another hard disk partition out of your hard disk. Okay, so this is the step in how to create a disk partition out of your hard disk. But let's say, for example, if we want to remove a hard disk partition in our Windows. Okay, so the step that we need to do is we need to navigate the same process, and that is here at the start icon again. Please do a right click, go with disk management, click on it. And the moment we have the click on it here, you need to proceed with the hard disk that you have. Please do a right click and go with extend volume. But let's say, for example, our extend volume is being grayed out like mine. Okay, the next step that you need to do is, if it's being grayed out, is that you need to back up all the important files or data that you have in your hard disk. Okay, again, back up all the important data or files that you have in your hard disk. Once you have backed it up, proceed on doing a right click here and go with delete volume. The moment you have deleted it, click on yes. Okay, and proceed to the partition that you have that you have created. Do the same, and that is to delete volume and click on yes. The moment you have deleted all, it will be merged into one. However, it's still unallocated. Now, in order to make it active, please do a right click and go with new simple volume. Click on next. Go with next once again and assign the drive letter that you want to go with. In my case, I'll be choosing E, and then go with NTFS in my case and click on next once again and go with finished. Okay, we just have to wait until it will be done. Okay. So it's setting up all the necessary process that we need to be done. Okay. So there you have that. You have just successfully merged or delete or remove the another disk partition that is present out of your hard disk. Okay. Simply close this window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.